Amazon commissions are down again. It's time to quit the program. I'm making half what I used to make. I'm getting a fraction of the clicks I used to get. The video carousel is gone. I can't find review videos anywhere on Amazon. Well, that's it. Amazon has decided to pull the plug on the Amazon Influencer program. They've taken away all the videos and it's time to quit the program. I mean, I think you should stop wasting your time uploading videos. I mean, they're not even being shown to anybody anymore. What are you doing? Hey, I'm Jim, and the sky isn't falling, and I'm only joking about quitting the Amazon Influencer program. Well, you can go ahead and quit. I'm not going to quit. I'm going to keep uploading some videos because I'm earning passive income, whether it's half what I was making or whether it's making or I'm getting half the clicks. It's still passive income, right? And I'm earning it while I'm sleeping. I'm earning it while I'm out in the world doing other things, and you can't beat that. I've been in this program over 2 years now, and if I've learned anything, it's that Amazon is constantly tweaking and changing stuff and seeing what works and what doesn't work, removing the videos, moving them, putting them up on top, showing them on bottom, putting them all the way at the bottom, putting them above the comments, putting them above the questions, putting them everywhere. They change it all the time, taking them away completely. They do that for a few days and they put them back up. I mean, eventually, maybe they'll cancel the program. Maybe they'll stop with the videos. Maybe they'll realize that they really don't need influencers to sell products. That's the big fear of a lot of these influencers, okay? Amazon takes away the video carousel and their sales don't go down. Well, why do they need the video carousel, right? That's the big fear most influencers have when they take this away. They're testing, do we really need these videos? Are we really making money with Amazon influencers? I would say, keep uploading on a steady basis. Somewhere around the middle of the month, give or take the 15th to the 20th, somewhere in there, Amazon starts doing some testing. It happens every month. All of a sudden, I'll be getting half the clicks that I was getting before. You do a little research and you find that they're not showing videos anymore. The carousel is not showing videos on some platforms. Sometimes it's mobile. You can't see anything on mobile, or you can't see anything on desktop or tablet. Right? Maybe they're only showing Inspire, or maybe they're only showing long form videos, or maybe they're only showing certain categories. They're not showing every category with videos. Only some categories might have videos. They're always testing. But you ride the wave and it passes. And then before you know it, you're back up to where you were before and everything is gravy. If you can't handle the ups and downs of the Amazon Influencer program, maybe it's not cut out for you. I've had months that I've made over $7,000 a month, and I've had months that I've only made $1,000 a month. Multiple streams of income. People diversify. Don't have just one stream of income. Get a sales funnel going. Create a course. Start a YouTube channel. Learn how to day trade. Keep building up your Amazon Influencer program to the point where it's covering your bills, even if they pull the plug and the last 4 or 5 days of the month, you're not making any income because they've taken away the videos. I try to keep my finger on the pulse of the Amazon Influencer program, trying to figure out what's going on, what's working, what's not working. Like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Leave a comment down below. Are you stuck? Do you need to know anything? Do you need me to make a video on any topic on the Amazon Influencer program? I'll be glad to. Like I said, I've been in it over 2 years. I've seen it very good and I've seen it not so good. But it's always been worth it for me. Multiple streams of income and passive income. Making money while you sleep. That's what it's all about. And that's what's happening even when they cut your commissions in half. It makes me laugh that people complain about getting half the free money they were getting before. I'm getting passive income. And the next month, I'm only getting half the passive income, but for doing no work. So, I mean, should I be mad about that? Maybe I should do more work. Now, it is passive income, but you do have to upload videos on a regular basis. And let's not forget, Q4 is right around the corner. Q4 is where everybody makes their money in the year. So it doesn't matter what happened in the other 3 quarters of the year. Q4 is where you get to make it all up. If you double down and work hard in Q4, you're going to have a great year. So leave a comment down in the comment section. Did you think about quitting the Amazon Influencer program when they took away the videos? Leave a comment down below. Or are you in it for the long haul? Are you ready for the roller coaster ride that is the Amazon Influencer program?